In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the drawing tools and how to create a clean line on a PDF without any confusion. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give it a moment to load so you can see the full interface. If you have a document already open, that's fine, but we're going to start fresh so you can practice without affecting anything important. Next, click on See All Tools at the top. This expands the full set of features so everything is easy to find in one place. It's helpful because different layouts can hide options behind menus, and this ensures the drawing options are visible. Now, choose Create a PDF. We're using this to generate a new document that we can draw on. Starting from scratch keeps things simple and avoids layout issues you might run into on scanned or complex PDFs. When prompted, click on Blank Page. This gives you a clean, white canvas, perfect for testing your line without distractions. A blank page also makes it easier to judge the thickness and smoothness of your line. At the top, select Edit. In this context, Edit brings up the controls you'll use to modify the page and access basic drawing tools. If your toolbar looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the editing options along the top bar or the right-hand panel. Next, click on Draw Freehand. This activates the Freehand tool, which lets you draw directly on the page with your mouse or trackpad. You'll notice your cursor changes to indicate you're ready to sketch. Finally, click on Draw to start drawing. Place your cursor where you want the line to begin, click and hold, and drag in the direction you want. Release to finish the line. If you want a straighter line, try holding the Shift key while you drag. It helps keep your movement more controlled. If the line doesn't look right, you can undo and try again. Zooming in slightly can also give you more precision. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Work slowly for smoother edges, especially if you're on a trackpad. If you need to exit drawing mode, press Escape. And once you're happy with your line on the blank page, you can use the same approach on any PDF. That's it. Simple and effective. You've just learned how to draw a line in Adobe Acrobat using the built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part while you follow along.